Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by setting up the essentials. Make sure your device runs the latest OS and clear Play Store cache and data to remove cached region flags. Next, connect to a reputable VPN and pick a server located in the country where the app is available. This changes your IP geolocation. Once connected, sign out of your Google account or create a fresh account set to that country in account settings. This prevents Play Store from showing your original region. With the VPN active, add the new Google account and set its profile country to match the VPN server. This is critical because Play Store uses account locale for availability. Next, open Play Store while still connected. Accept any prompts and allow it to refresh listings. If the app is paid or geo-locked by payment, add a local payment method tied to the target country or choose none for free apps. This aligns billing info with the chosen country and unlocks region-specific listings. Now search for the app in Play Store and install while your VPN remains connected. Downloading with IP and account both showing the target country ensures success. Once installed, test the app and then you can safely disconnect the VPN if the app does not enforce region checks. If installation still fails, clear Play Store data, switch to another server in the same country, and try again. If problems persist, verify account country in Payments Profile and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.